Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday the 9th of October with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. So let's look at dollar yen, which is a very interesting chart at the moment because what we have got is this uptrend that got broken by these three negative candles. And now those three negative candles is the yen strengthening against the dollar, or dollar less positive against the yen. However, that's come as the dollar has been strengthening pretty much across the majors. So the fact is that the dollar has been under a little bit of corrective pressure. Now, does that start to turn around? Because what we have seen is this unwinding move. This trend has been broken, but generally speaking, you'd say that the outlook is still very positive, I think, on this market. Let's see actually where the uptrend from that 104.50 low does come in, because you can draw that in now, and it is still just playing out pretty much within the scope of that uptrend, which comes in at 11.50. So basically what you'd say is anything around sort of 12 big figure probably is still a pretty strong move, and the fact is the market's just unwound back towards sort of neutral on the RSI, and you get in these near-term corrective signals on the MACD and stochastics, and it'll be very interesting to see how far this correction goes, because you'd expect to see that the buyers would be starting to come back in around the sort of 12.15 to 13 figure area, and yesterday's low 12.80 came in just above the 12.50 support, which was a higher reaction though within that old uptrend, and the market is consolidating now. So does it start to build a bit of support, having unwound to an extent? Will be very interesting to see. Now we can see here on the hourly chart there is still sort of this corrective aspect of lower highs, lower lows in the last sort of session or so, and again it'll be very interesting to see how the RSI reacts around the sort of mid 50s area, maybe 60, how the MACD lines react on the hourly around neutral. If they start to move more positively again, you could start to see the market pushing higher. You've got this resistance overhead at 13.50, which are these old lows of this mini top pattern. That top pattern of 100 pips gives you 12.50. So again, you've sort of in bull market corrections you tend to undershoot the downside target. So you've seen a move of 70 pips from that neckline breakdown of a 100 pip target, which would be 12.50. So you've played out most of that move already. So is this the market starting to build support, would be the question there. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.